IMIKI D2 smartwatch model IMIKI D2 Bluetooth version 5.3 screen size 1.43 inch screen type AMOLED display charging voltage 3.85 volt battery capacity 400 mAh water and dust proof 3 ATM manufacturer Shenzhen Mihomi Up Technology Company Limited made in China. Okay, this is the box. Let's unbox. Nice box, black color, beautiful box. See, it's a nice box. Okay, let's open the box. It's really okay, it's IMIKI. Wow, nice watch. This is the box. Okay, this is the watch. Okay, nice watch. Okay, this is the user manual. No charging cable. Why? I really don't know. I think there is a mistake. There is no charging cable inside. Okay, let's open it first. This is the watch, the box. There was no charging cable in the box. Really sad. I think it's a mistake. IMIKI. This is the back side of the watch. Model IMIKI D2 made in China. Okay, let's turn it on. This is power button and this is back button. Okay, I am turning on the watch. It's not rotatable, it's just a design. I think there is no charge. We have to charge it first. The box we have got a data cable, charging cable, magnetic charging cable. Okay, this is the magnetic charging cable. Okay, let's charge it. Charging 0% charge available, that's why it is not turning on. The date of manufacture is March 2024. Okay. English scan. Okay, now we are going to scan it. IMIKI live. Okay, install it. Charging. Okay, nice watch. Okay. AMOLED